Thank you for coming to our lesson today. So today we want to look at networks and we want to continue from where we left. I can be able to see that from the board you didn't even raise what we looked at yesterday, so we shall look at these terms. So who can remind us what networks were? Because these terms we defined them yesterday, yes?
Computer networks is interconnected of electronic devices for the purpose of communication.
Good. What are extranets? John?
This is a connection that is 24 hours.
Yes?
This is a controlled access to a network.
Yes.
For example, a bank.
Yes.
And a customer.
Yes, and we said that we are giving access to a few people, maybe the customers or maybe the suppliers to a particular network. That's how we get to an extranet. So today we want to look at physical topologies. Remember I gave you notes yesterday, and there are some questions in those notes that we shall be answering as we continue. So when you look at your notes as we continue, remember when we get to that point you can be able to ask your question. So I'm going to look at two topologies, and the first one is the star topology, and the second one is the mesh topology. I know I've not taken the roll call, but we shall take it at the end of the lesson. So the star topology, we are talking about computer devices that are connected. Remember we said that a network, we refer to connecting devices or computers to a network, and they are connected to a central hub. And these devices that are connected are known as nodes. So from that definition, what have you seen that was on the notes? Any question that was there? I know there's a question there. Joe?
What is a central hub?
What is a central hub? So have you answered the question? Yes, what is the answer?
It's
Central hub is a connecting device that is used to, it works like a switch.
Okay, good. So that is our lesson today. So we want to recap. And see what we have covered today. Remember, we have said devices that are connected to a network are referred to as nodes. And in a star topology, we have one central hub. And this central hub is now what forms the network in order for these nodes to communicate. So I want to give you this paper. Kindly write questions on where you think you have not understood. Very fast. We only have a few seconds to do that. Okay. So these ones, I'll tackle them, I'll look at them, and we shall tackle them in our next lesson. So let's take the roll call very fast. Joan?
Present.
John? Kim? Present. So now this is the last exercise today. I'll be asking questions, and every time you give me the correct answer, that is your ticket to leave. So what is the central hub? Any person with an answer?
A central hub is a device that is used to control the nodes that are connected.
Good. So you have now earned yourself a ticket, yes?
Central hub.
Any other thing that we have learned today?